Your next car could be the 2022 Kia Forte. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a sporty Kia Forte, the refined compact sedan that offers active safety features, modern infotainment and connectivity, agile handling, and a precise and controlled ride. It's a smooth performer with a subtly rebellious spirit. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, premium sound system, lane keeping assist, alarm, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels. Feel inspired on every journey when you're behind the wheel of this powerful and efficient Forte. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.